Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is bulb planting day in the yard, and we're going to be planting a lot of bulbs, at least for us anyway. I'm going to show you a video of all the bulbs that we are going to plant and where we're going to plant them. And then we're going to get to it. So here we go. So one of the first places we'll be planting is our raised bed that we're trying to fill in with some spring and summer bulbs. One of the things we'll be planting are daffodils. These are called Narcissus White on White Blend. Along with those, we'll be planting grape hyacinths. These are called Muscari Pink Sunrise. And also we'll be planting a tulip mix. That should be a late spring bloomer. All of these are going to be planted in a ring around our raised bed. Another place we'll be planting is around our iris garden. We'll be planting some really pretty orange tulips around that area. Those will be centered in a ring around the middle. Some of you have probably seen my bird bath garden video. We'll be planting around this garden as well, around the edge. And we'll be planting anemones. This one's called Blanda Mix. The soft violet and white colors look like they might be really nice. So we have a fire pit section, and around this fire pit section we'll be planting on the edges there too. Again, we have a nice tulip mix of reds and pinks and yellows that'll be going around there. The triangle garden will also have some bulb additions. We'll be planting some hyacinths. This one's called Blue Jacket, right in the front of it. And then we'll also be planting two fritillarias, the really pretty yellow colors here, and those are going to go inside the triangle garden. Take a look at the size of these bulbs. Holy cow. At the base of our newly planted Avondale redbud tree, we're going to be planting some checkered lilies. And I really like the way these checkers look on some of the purple lilies. These are going to be planted in a grouping at the base of the tree. Lastly, we'll be lining the walkway in our little area by our statue and our water feature. This will be lined with a tulip called Dream Touch, which has a really deep looking red with white tips. And we'll also be planting another tulip called Tinka, which has yellow and reddish petals. Okay, so time to plant. The first thing we did was lay out the pattern that we were going to plant around our raised bed and the other places as well. You need to be very careful when you do this, I must say. After we laid them out, it was time to start digging. So make sure you try to plant with your bulbs with the point up. My wife and I are halfway through and we're pooped out already. So I'm going to sprinkle this dishwashing detergent now over all the areas where we have bulbs planted, and then I'm going to water everything in. The reason I'm doing this is to keep away the squirrels. Hopefully this will keep them off the scent for a while. I don't want them digging up everything we just planted. By the way, it seems like squirrels do not prefer things like daffodil bulbs or hyacinths or fritillaria. However, they do like tulips. Okay, we're done finally. It was a long day and my back's killing me. Anyway, hopefully this stuff will grow and we'll see what it looks like next spring. So thanks a lot for joining us, and I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe.